It's my honor to welcome you to the media launch of the PCI Color Run 2025. For our 7th year doing this annual fun run, I am proud to be part of this exciting yet humbling activity. This annual fun run of PCCI is another way of expressing our gratitude to our members and partners in a relaxed setting. We gather together in this event wearing our comfy running shoes and singlets, bringing our family, friends, colleagues to the racetrack and enjoying the fun run that goes with the run. On April 6, we are inviting you to be part of this fun run, festive fundraising event for the benefit of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce CSR Relief and Rehabilitation Program. We assure you that your participation in this good cause will be worth it. Thank you very much and good afternoon to everyone.
We always held what was a pet themed fun run. This year we are changing to a color themed fun run. Also with the help of the Army, we have a new venue, and I hope this will be the start of a long relationship with the Army. I would like to commend our PCCI CSR team, specifically Ms. Nora Lacuna and our co-chair Delia Jimenez, who work so hard. Every year we make so much money and we beat our record. Last year we had 1,200 attendees and we raised over 500,000 pesos. I'm sure this year we will beat that again. So my gratitude to all the hard work. So see you on April 6. Please join us for this fantastic color fundraise.
Let's give him a big round of applause.
Colonel Marcel Sigaya.
To PCCI directors or media partners and friends, to all runners. I'm representing the Philippine Army, and in behalf of our Commanding General Lieutenant General Roy Galido and our Regiment Commander of Civil Military Operations Regiment, Brigadier General Binamin Hao. We are very much happy to be partner of the PCCI and for hosting the venue of this Run 25 PCCI or what you call this
Color Fun Run
2025. We are very much supporting the advocacies of PCCI in helping the victims of our
Natural disasters.
Disaster-stricken Philomen, and we would like to join everybody, all runners and non-runners as well, to join us and participate with this very important and noble event. Let us run all together for unity, and let us have fun. See you on April 6. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, sir.
Hi po, I'm Teji from Zero Multisport.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Dave from Zero Multisports as well.
Hi, I'm Edrin Hugo from Zero Multisports.
Here to discuss briefly the race course. The Fun Run 2025 PCCI event caters 1 kilometer. This is the first slide, is 1 kilometer. The next slide is 3 kilometer. The difference, you will see the U-turns, the route as stated. Then 5 kilometer. The 5 kilometer. Then second, the 10 kilometer category. The 10K category will cover 2 loops of the 5 kilometer route. Yes.
Saan hindi nalalabas?
Yes po.
Doon na lang din sa loob.
Opo. Yun na po yung ano niya. Hydration stations provided every 1.5 kilometers at the home road, plus 1 at the event area. It will be posted on all social media sites of PCCI.
Philippine Army Golf, ito Jun, yung green.
Okay, we will reserve our questions for the question and answer portion. But in the meantime,
pakikitaan na nga muna kung saan mapupunta yung sinasabi niyong for ACOS, yung kikitain na itong fund run, ano mga CSR projects niyo?
Primarily, kasi marami tayo, ang Philippine Chamber is nationwide. Meron tayong mga sa Visayas, Mindanao. Ngayon pag especially Bicol region, di ba madalas tamaan sila ng mga bagyo, ng mga disaster area, So, madalas humihingi sila ng tulong dito sa amin, sa PCCI, para to rehabilitate yung mga nasirang mga negosyante, mga nasirang mga negosyo nila doon sa probinsya. So, we help them to rebuild their businesses. Kasi yung mga tinatamaan ng bagyo, yung mga nababaha, yun. Tinutulungan natin yung mga yun. And meron din tayong mga medical mission now. We went to some areas na really need our help for medical missions. We do that also.
The last year ba, ano yung natulungan niyo po? Baka pwede na magbalik tanaw lang. The last year sa Petran, anong natulungan yung sector?
Number one na natulungan namin doon, we had our first medical mission at Nueva Ecija, Capiao. First pala sa Caloocan, and then we have in Nueva Ecija. Tapos yung sa Catanduanes, and then sa Batangas, we did also, with the help of the Philippine Army, we did a relief operation in Batangas. Yung sa Laurel, yung tinamaan ng earthquake at saka ng Christine. Okay.
by the way, since the beneficiaries of the CSR funds of the CSR Health are also located outside of Metro Manila, for the first time, our PCCI fund run for ACOS is going to be nationwide in the sense that we will be involving the regional or the local chambers, 100 plus local chambers. We have invited them. So hopefully there's still time for them to prepare before April 6. So we will meet them also. We have, the PCCI kasi is the biggest the business organization, and it's got 100 plus chambers all over the Philippines. So we hope to see them on April 6.
Our hydration stuff. So what about the safety and security measures in place?
The map the partner the venue partner will be supported by the armed forces plus the additional directional signage and race road marshals will be provided to for the additional safety. And since sa loob naman siya hindi siya problema sa sa traffic and security, kaya additional siguro.
There's also there are going to be ambulances and medic personnel that will be deployed during the event. Also, inside the camp, there's also a hospital, and Sir Gayat, Colonel Gayat was very clear on the safety and security and the administration of kahit man lang first aid at the event. No? So we're prepared for that. We just had our meeting with them. Also, we're deploying about 100 plus personnel, uniform personnel, to marshal and assist in the running of the facilitation of the race itself. Sir, baka po.
And we also employ ambulance prepared for this event, and alerted our AGH or Army General Hospital just in case for any untoward incidents or accidents.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your question. Is there anybody else from the floor that would like to ask? Oh, yes, sir.
Thank you. I am Jojo of Rider PH. My question goes to you, Mr. Brian. Kanina you mentioned that the money just comes in at malaki ang na-raise like last year, 500,000 nga ba?
Yes, correct.
Right. Can you tell us ilang taon na ba tong fun run and how did it start?
Oh, I wasn't here when it started.
Oh, okay. So maybe...
Sure.
This is
Ma'am
our
Nora.
7th year.
Okay.
Our 7th year. How it started?
How was it,
How it
nung
started?
first year, ilan yung participants and how has it grown through the years?
Yes, I think it has grown through the years. Hindi ko lang alam yung mga numbers, yung numbers. Pero we were just thinking of how to raise funds, so we thought of this, one of these as a fundraising activity. So ayun, doon lang nag-start yun. We started with 1,800 runners before.
Kahit nung unang taon madami na pong
Marami,
participants.
marami no.
Okay.
Since it's new.
And I understand that this is the first time na dito sa
Army, yes.
gagawin yung dito yung venue, no?
But our first run was in
Manila.
BGC.
In BGC.
Yes.
May I add something about where the funds are used, no?
Okay.
The funds that are earned in the fund is bigger compared to the funds that is used by PCI for its CSR, no? SAS operation. As you remember, ilan yung binanggit na kanina, no? Caloocan, Batangas, Quezon, and so on. What we do is ginagamit lang ito to augment. PCI raised the money. Dinadagdag lang namin ito. Kasi this won't be enough even for one operation. And we have several every year.
Sino po ang mga sumasali? Sino yung mga tumatakbo?
Well,
I mean from, yung demographic.
Yung iba sumasali, magagalit kayo. Dahil kagaya ng dalawang aso ko, hindi na sumakan.
Sino?
From companies. From different companies. Company members namin, no?
Opo.
Agents representing.
Yes.
So in the last 2 years, we were pushing for a pet league. So dala nila yung mga dogs nila. And as you know, yung mga dog lovers range from teenager to senior. So they had their own category. Hindi po tinanggal. They can still join. We just changed the team.
Ayun, yun ang...
Pets can still...
pets.
And sa CI K9.
Saling aso lang sila ngayon.
Ibig sa saling pusa.
So dogs are still welcome.
Why did you change the theme? So before it was pet and then now it's color theme nga ba? Bakit po pinalitan? Color run. Para
And also, the different colors actually represent the different partnerships, no? So there are 4 colors: the pink, blue, orange. Orange signifies bravery and strength. The pink signifies nurturing color. The blue signifies peace. So those are, I lack one other color. The green is for environment, and red, yun na sir yung orange. Bravery and strength. Okay, so that actually cements the partnerships of the stakeholders who have been supporting us not only in the fun run but also in our CSR activities. Like last year po, the whole AFP gave or sent about 100 participants, but this the one who won is a BPO actually, who sent about 180. So they won, the BPO company won the most number of participants. last year. Natalo tayo, sir, dun sa ano? Sa
Yes,
most number of runners.
We have an award for the most number of participants. We give 20,000 pesos.
May cash
for the
prize?
most number. Yes, cash.
For the individual who wins or for the company? For sending the most number?
Most
I
numbers of
see.
runners.
Pero may cash prize po ba? Wala, ano?
Meron, first, second,
meron.
third. Meron. We have individual, yes. We give.
How much? Hindi
Secret.
secret. For fun lang dapat lahat. Ang
Yes,
isipin. Oo. Sige.
So again, you have 4 categories. 1K, 3K, 5K, and 10K. 4 categories for the male and 4 categories for female.
Ayan. Sige. Salamat po.
Thank you very much. Sino pa po ang merong tanong? Yes, sir. May follow-up question.
Susunod ko lang sinabi, sir, Sergio, magkano ulit yung budget dun sa CSR programs ng PCI? Kasi sabi ko, sir, i-augment lang. Yung makikita dito, i-augment lang dun sa available budget ng PCI.
When each operation we have, we spend siguro 1 million at least.
1 million.
And then, aside from this operation that we do, we send our regions, pagka may mga disaster, several millions also.
For a year, last year we spent siguro mga 3 million last year. Kasi ang dami natin bagyo last year.
Hello po. Nakalagay po dun sa press release na there will be experiential zones along the racetrack. Can you expound po? Ano yung mga experiential zones?
Basically, we invited sponsors for that. So technically, we have a lot of engaging activities that we will be incorporating to the fun run. Aside from the run itself, so meron tayong mga activities on the side. So we're eyeing pa for the sponsors if we could incorporate as well, for example, a VR experience, something, sort of like that.
Virtual reality.
Also may live entertainment and post. Yes. Sino po yung mga, anong meron ng sino yung mga performers sa live?
Sa performers, actually, we're negotiating pa with some artists, but basically, if sponsors can give from their end, we will accommodate naman. But for now, we're just focused on the run itself. Yeah. And then we will be having a pre-event Zumba during the pre-event for this run.
That will happen at 4 a.m.
AM.
The start of the run.
Miss Nora po, ano ba yung significant impacts po para sa inyong previous na run?
Significant. Siyempre, the funds that we raise.
Oh, of course. Of course.
Yun lang naman ang kailangan namin talaga. And of course, yung marami kaming nakasalamuha, marami kaming naging friends during the run and the company. So we have invited some companies to join us in the PCCI. That's it.
Meron.
Oh, for our health wellness also for the run. Yes. Maybe can we request the runners group to stand so we will know who you are?
Yes, let's get to know them.
Wala na, kayo lang tatlo yung runners group. Akala ko meron pa.
May mga celebrities na po bang lumahok in previous years? Wala din. Meron.
Miss Arlu.
Ayaw lang mo pabanggit, ma'am, pero sumasabi. Ayan, nakita nila.
Okay. Incognito sila.
Not as celebrity guest, kundi runner din. As runner lang. I see. Oo. But this is open to the public, ano? O di mas madaming maenganyong sumali kung may celebrities. Diba? I see. Thank you.
Sasabayan nila ng
Oo, diba? Mas okay. That's an idea to explore, diba?